Understanding bill delivery, an easy guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a common English phrase, bill delivery. This phrase is often used in everyday conversations and in various contexts, so understanding its meaning and usage is key for English language learners. Let's get started. Bill delivery refers to the process of sending or receiving a bill or invoice. A bill is a statement of money owed for goods or services, and delivery is the act of bringing something to a recipient. In this context, bill delivery can happen in several ways. Physical delivery, like a postal service delivering a bill to your home. Electronic delivery, where bills are sent via email or through online services. Bill delivery is a term you might encounter in various situations. 1. Utility services. Receiving monthly bills for services like electricity, water, or internet. 2. Subscriptions. Bills for ongoing services like magazines, streaming platforms, or membership fees. 3. Online shopping. Getting an invoice for items purchased online. To help you understand better, here are some examples. I received the bill delivery for my electricity usage this morning. Can you check if the bill delivery for our internet service has arrived? Other phrases related to bill delivery include bill payment, the act of paying a bill, invoice, another term for a bill, commonly used in business contexts, due date, the deadline for bill payment. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of bill delivery. Understanding such phrases can greatly improve your English communication skills. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.